This is how you make a homemade blizzard.
Kick it.
It's snowing!
That's the way, but if you come here to one,
You could create a blizzard.
I can't go to blizzard.
We're looking at your balls. Oh God, how he's gonna get no. He's
Take off that
getting,
thing.
he's using
Take it off, Jake.